the one who's still creating Kit subscribers manually, then it's time for a change. In this video, I'll show you how you can create 100 of Kit subscribers in a single click, and yes, you can try this for free today. But before we move on further and see how to create this amazing automation, we're going to see how this automation is going to run. So as you can see right now on my Kit subscribers page, I have only 2 subscribers. Now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to open this spreadsheet, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. Once I'm just going to click on this send all data, it is saying working, so I'm just going to wait for a few minutes, and after waiting for a few minutes, what is going to happen is my Kit subscribers will be created. So as you can see, I have a total of 20 contacts in this Google Sheet. So let's open our Kit, and now you're going to see that we have successfully created multiple subscribers right over here. And yes, after time, the subscribers will increase one by one. They're getting created. So yes, you're going to see that within a single second and in a single click, I created multiple subscribers in my Kit account. And how is this possible? Because I have created this amazing automation, and in this video, I'll show you how you can also create this. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free, and you are going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of hours free means that you can add up to 100 of subscribers for free into your Kit account, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that, the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, this is the discount coupon code which is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So if you are the one who watches our YouTube videos, this discount coupon code is just for you. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Sheets right over here and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. We're going to receive this webhook URL. So just copy this webhook URL and open your Google Sheets. Now you have to open the sheet you wish to connect. For that, you have to first of all add the extension in this spreadsheet. What you have to do is you have to go towards this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to search for the extension which we have to add, which is Pabbly Connect webhooks. So search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and select it. Now you can see that this is the extension which we have to install right over here. But you can install it right from here. After installing this, make sure to refresh your spreadsheet. It is very important to refresh your spreadsheet. Otherwise, you'll not be able to see the option of this Pabbly Connect webhooks right over here in your extensions tab. Once you see this Pabbly Connect webhooks option, go on this Pabbly Connect webhooks and then initial setup. After coming on this initial setup, it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So you just have to copy this webhook URL which you received in the workflow and paste it right over here. Alright, so let's paste it. Now for the trigger column, enter the trigger column which will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So I want to send 4 details, so my trigger column is D, but your trigger column will be according to your own spreadsheet. After this, click on this submit. Once we click on this submit, it is saying setup configured successfully. This means that we have successfully created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but now it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, go back towards your Google Sheets and click on this send test. Once we going to click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully. Alright, so let's open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. So this is the same details which we have in the first row of this Google Sheets. Alright, so now I'm just going to create the Kit subscriber for the same. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Kit and select Kit V4. It is very important you select Kit V4. For the event, you have to select it as insert or update subscriber by email and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Kit and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Kit. Make sure that your Kit account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your Kit account, and then only you're going to get the option to grant the access. So once you get the option, just grant the access to Pabbly Connect and your Kit account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the email address. So enter the email address with the help of which you want to create the subscriber. But over here you have to make sure that you don't enter the email address manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map the detail, just put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map and select it. For the subscriber state, select it as active right over here and then click on the save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new subscriber. So let's open our Kit and we're going to refresh this and you're going to see a new subscriber will be created right over here. You're going to see all the details are exactly the same, be it the first name or the email address. Not only this, I didn't want to create a single subscriber, but I want that whenever I just come on the spreadsheet, I want to create multiple subscribers at once. So for that, you have to go to its extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and click on the send all data. Once you click on the send all data, all this data will be sent towards your workflow. Pabbly is going to trigger the workflow and create the subscriber for all the data you have in this spreadsheet. Not only this, if you want to add the new details and create the subscriber for the same, so for that you have to go to its extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and make sure the send on event button is switched on. Then whenever an event will occur in the spreadsheet, the subscriber will be created for the same too. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can drop your doubts and questions in the comment section below. For your reference, the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. Also, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video. Everyone, thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.